You can stream video on your television in various ways, and if you get one of the finest Android TV boxes, you can make sure that the process is as quick, easy, and fun as possible. A TV box is a little electronic device that connects to your television and turns it into a smart TV. The best Android TV boxes are strange and unique things. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to talk you all through the top 5 Android TV box you can get your hands on. So make sure to sit back and stick with me till the end of the video, as I am about to tell you about to stream movies on TV for much cheaper price. To create this list of the very best products the industry has to offer, we reviewed a ton of different smart TV models. Your TV can become smart thanks to these Android TV boxes and sticks. Here are the top Android TV boxes and sticks available right now. Without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Number 5. Google Chromecast with Google TV. Even if there won't be many Android TV devices in 2021, the Chromecast with Google TV easily stands out as the finest of the lot. There is a lot to appreciate about Google's Chromecast, especially given its asking price, even though it may not have as many features as the Nvidia Shield TV streaming box. In addition to supporting Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos and providing 4K HDR streaming, Chromecast also includes a processor that makes most jobs run smoothly. Although it lacks a few buttons, it is well made and provides good usefulness in a stylish and small way. Connecting the Chromecast to your TV and launching Google TV are both fairly simple. It makes a terrific streaming companion for your living area, in our opinion. The new Chromecast's form factor is one of its nicest features. It functions essentially as a TV stick that plugs into your TV HDMI port. Even though it is technically powered by Android TV, Google has built its new Google TV software on top of it to offer a whole different experience. Because of this, everything is much more aesthetically pleasing. All of your applications continue to function as before. And the new home pages are made to curate content from all of your streaming apps so you can find something to watch more quickly. The Chromecast supports every feature you'd want from a high-end, contemporary streaming device in 2022 in terms of hardware. Number 4. Nvidia Shield TV Pro. Our choice for the best all-around Android streaming device available is the regular Nvidia Shield TV. Starting with its hardware, the Shield TV is among the smallest Android TV devices you'll find. In actuality, it's more of a tiny tube than a box. This makes it small, inconspicuous, and simple to conceal no matter how your entertainment system is set up. It offers 4K HDR streaming, 4K upscaling, Dolby Vision and Atmos, and other features that make the standard Shield TV outstanding. The Shield TV Pro has a larger form factor, which is the first thing you'll notice about it. It is significantly larger than the standard model to accommodate several added features. It may be set up as a SmartThings hub and used to control compatible smart home appliances. Additionally, there are 2 USB connections available for connecting devices like keyboards, external storage, and more. Games are another key selling point for the Shield TV Pro. The Tegra X1 can play the most popular games from the Google Enjoy Store, as well as stream games directly from Nvidia's GeForce Now service, allowing you to play your PC game collection on your TV. You have access to all the programs in the Google Play Store if you're using the official Google TV OS. Although Kodi may still be installed if you want to access content outside Netflix, Amazon Prime, iPlayer, and the other standard suspects, Plex is already set up. In addition, even though the 16 GB of onboard storage is small, you can always expand it with a USB 3.0 external drive. The TiVo Stream 4K is the best Android TV device if you want to watch live TV and don't want to spend a lot of money upgrading your standard TV with some smarts. It has one of the most powerful remotes on our list of Android TV devices. The numpad on the remote allows you to browse a wide selection of live channels thanks to a partnership between TiVo and Sling TV. Overall, if you're unsure about cutting the cord, this is a good option. But keep the TiVo Stream 4K's reduced pricing from fooling you into thinking less highly of it. It has several amazing features that make it one of the top streaming gadgets available. The TiVo Stream 4K provides 4K HDR material that is compatible with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, just like the other streaming devices featured in this collection. The addition of a second UI on top of Android TV, which effectively delivers the same set of apps and services, just organized differently, puts TiVo in direct competition with Android TV. Although switching between them can be confusing, we wouldn't dislike it much if it were the only UI. You can expect a good streaming experience if you can decide between Jekyll and Hyde. Number 2. Xiaomi Mi Box S. When you consider how well the Xiaomi Mi Box S 4K HDR Android TV box performs in comparison to how inexpensive it is undoubtedly the finest value among TV boxes. Xiaomi, one of the most well-known producers of electronics, is renowned for creating high-quality goods with approachable and reasonable price labels. It features a good selection of Google Play Store apps as well as the Google version of Android TV, which was built specifically for use with remote control. It also has Google Assistant and a voice-activated remote, so you can search for content or start an app using just your voice. It's one of the most well-liked Android TV box combos available right now, with thousands of good reviews from confirmed Amazon customers and excellent ratings on other reliable online marketplaces. Similar to the TiVo Stream 4K, Xiaomi's Mi Box S offers a clean Android TV shell instead of all the add-ons. Right down to the button arrangement, the supplied remote has the same streamlined design as the Mi TV stick. The device's overall performance can be sluggish under heavy loads, and you won't find the requisite AAA batteries in the box. Number 1. Amazon Fire TV Stick. This TV stick has 1 GB of RAM, a quad-core CPU, and 8 GB of storage. The redesigned remote, which has a channel guide button and 4 app buttons, can seem underpowered but rapidly launches apps like Amazon Prime or Netflix. You can purchase this tiny stick for less than $50, and if you opt to purchase the package with the Gigabit Ethernet connection adapter, it will still only cost you $70. Given that it is compatible with your Alexa smart home system, that is a really decent price. Along with the streaming programs available on the Amazon App Store, such as Plex, Google's operating system may be found underneath the Amazon Fire TV proprietary UI. It's also only intended for streaming apps, and it lacks sufficient capacity to enable more complex activities like gaming. Despite being the most affordable way to stream in 4K, many people continue to avoid using the Fire TV stick. Why? Because it is an Amazon product, the Amazon Fire TV operating system, which is restricted, is used instead of the mainstream Android operating system. Only a far more constrained selection of apps is available for download from the Amazon shop, not the Google Play Store. This is a list that is constantly changing, so we'll keep an eye out for any new streaming devices and see if they may be included. What streaming gadget are you going to purchase to upgrade your TV then? Please tell us in the comments. Also, you can buy any of these TV boxes by checking out the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon button so that you don't miss any update from my channel. See you all soon. Thanks for watching.